It's November 1st. Last night was Halloween. We spent the entire day going to Flagstaff for vet appointments, doctor appointments, some grocery shopping, some lunch, some dinner. Then we came home, caught a movie, and went to bed. So today's show is being uploaded late. We just got some ice cream. It was delicious. We picked up some milkshakes. We don't do that very often, but it is nice once in a while. Irene's gone in to check out what's going on at Whole Foods, see what's there. We've stopped at Sprouts, another organic food store in Flagstaff. We're just trying to see what's available at different places. Our next stop is going to be Sam's Club because we have a few bulk things to pick up because I have some cooking to do. We've bought some really good cabbage at this location for making sauerkraut. And we have our own plantings to get going for winter vegetables. That will be happening this next week. Beautiful day today. Snow on the mountains. There's been some snow in Flagstaff. We've had several inches up here in the past couple of weeks. And we've had a little bit down where we live. Rufus is now asleep. I just woke him up. He's going to be looking for Irene. Because that's what he wants. We still have some blackberry fruit that may or may not mature before we get some real hard freeze. It's been in the upper 20s for the past week, and the plants are starting to show some signs of damage. The berries have done very, very well this year. They've been delicious. We have some in the freezer. We're going to probably eat some on ice cream, but the plan right now is to defrost them, run them through the food mill to remove the seeds, and freeze dry them. Then we'll have some nice freeze-dried berries without seeds, which should make it freeze dry a lot faster. Anything with seeds in it takes longer because seeds maintain moisture. The asparagus bed is browning off. It's about time to remove those stalks. They're not going to do much good pretty quick. So we'll go ahead and pull those out probably in the next week or so. We're fighting a war when it comes to raising our raspberries. We've been told by the county agents that raspberries don't do well here. Well, I'm not sure why that is. We do have raised beds. They get the right amount of water now. We're going to check the soil for the nutrient value. Oh, there's one right there. That's getting ripe. Irene will come out later on today and pick whatever's left, or whatever's ripened anyway. We have a theory that the problem here might be too much sun. And there's one of our ripening raspberries. They're delicious. They're small right now. I'm not sure how big they're going to get, but they're delicious. They're about the size of the raspberries that we had in our berry patch when I was a kid. I used to pick them and would eat them, but then we also had the ability to go sell some at the A&P grocery store. I used to wholesale to Jimmy, who was a greengrocer, and I learned a lot from him. One of them is I learned if you're going to sell berries, you'll want to put them in the container, the basket. In those days they were all kind of the paper mache baskets. Put your hand over the top, turn them upside down, and shake them so that they fluff back up. The first time I saw that, I think I sold 10 pints to Jimmy, and I think he got 11 or 12 out of it by doing that. So I learned from that to do that myself before I went to the store. It worked. Rufus is still prowling around trying to find the rats or mice that are out here. Isa does the same thing. She's caught several. And we can tell because we find a half a mouse. Well, at least that's one way of getting rid of the rodents.